Hey, this is Kevin. We're back in the Project Cave. I am working on my workbench, working on the tabletop, getting this finished up. I got a tabletop full of tools here, but I wanted to take a moment just to show you how I cut threaded rod and make sure that the threads stay intact. Not much to it. It involves a couple nuts and a die. So here we go. The first thing I'm going to do, if I'm going to cut threaded rod to help keep the threads intact, is before I do anything, I'm going to take two nuts and spin them onto the rod well past where I want to cut. Okay? I will then tighten those nuts on each other. That way they're locking the rod. I can use a wrench to hold it still for later on in the process. After that, I'll take my die. If you're looking through it, you can see that there's a bit of a taper in here. I'm going to make sure that the most aggressive cut of the die goes onto the rod first, and I will spin it on to the threaded rod. You spin that well past where you want to cut the rod. At that point, you can either use a hacksaw, an angle grinder, reciprocating saw, whatever you want to cut the threaded rod with. Cut the rod to your proper length. After I've made my cut on the threaded rod, I'll take either a file or my angle grinder, and I'm going to round over the edge just a little bit. Then spray a little lubricant on. I'll take my wrench and grab the two lock nuts and start spinning the die off of the rod. When it reaches the part where the threads might be a little hanky from the cut, the die cutter will slowly start to reshape or cut new threads if necessary. Once that spins all the way off, you take a new nut, you can spin it on just to check. It's going to work great. Unlock the other two nuts, spin them off, and then you're all set to go. I'm Kevin. If you like this video, hit that like button, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you think with a comment below. I'll see you next time in the Project Cave.